Hey guys, it's Jesse. Welcome to another video. Today, like I promised, we're going to be doing the Grand Cherokee work. So, I got the heads here. I got fresh gasket kit here, Felpro gaskets. I got the repair manual. So, we're going to be going through it today. It's not going to be, excuse me, it's not going to be a step-by-step vid. It's going to be more about, here's what I got to do, and then here's what comes next, right? So in this case, right, I got the heads back from the shop, so I got to get the new exhaust manifold gaskets on and the exhaust manifolds and the heat shield. So there are my parts up there. So I'm gonna get started on that, so the next time you see this, these are gonna be ready for the Grand Cherokee. I got my wife right now actually just cleaning up the block right now, so need a good smooth surface, no dirt, grime, grit, anything in the cylinder walls. And yeah, we should be able to get at least one of these things on today. All right, here we go. Always make sure you're using a good torque wrench here, according to the book. So you have your installation here for your manifolds, and at the very back, they give you your torque specs. Right here. So exhaust manifold studs, exhaust manifold bolt and nuts, that's 18 foot-pounds, right? So you set it to 18 foot-pounds here, and it says in the instructions, work from the center to the ends and approach the final torque in 3 steps. So you'll go around, starting from the center, 3 times to make sure your torque is good. I just finished that up. Now throw on the heat shield. All right, everybody, exhaust manifold heat shield is installed. These 4 nuts attached to the studs, which are installed into the head. Those get 132 inch-pounds, but in rules of torquing, since you only have a foot-pound torque wrench, you just divide that by 12, and it gives you a number. So these are 11 foot-pounds here. I could have guessed it, you know, German torque, good and tight, but I want to just do this once. I want to make sure it's done right. So this head is ready to go. We're almost finished up polishing up the other side, or the block. So once that's on, we'll go ahead and get the head gasket on and throw this head on and go through that procedure. We're ready to go. Bolts ready. Some oil in there. All my wrenches, torque wrench, there's the heads. We're doing one side at a time. Already got the gasket on. Ready to go. So we're gonna give this a shot. All right, heads are temporarily installed. I got my torque, my tightening values here in the order, and my torque value. Should be the next page, yep. Cylinder head bolts. Torque the large ones 25, small ones 15, and then you go around again with a new value of 40. Verifying 15 still retained in the first step for the small bolts, and then the third step, additional 90 degrees. So that's going to be one motion right here. And then small bolts you finalize with 25. Okay, we got 15 bolts. Let's get it. Heads are fully installed, at least on the driver's side. Did 3 rounds of torques all throughout. Next is the push rods and rocker arms. We got the exhaust side rocker arms and push rods in. Something to note, the intake push rods are significantly smaller compared to the exhaust push rods. So when you're installing these, right, you want to make sure that you're putting the right side in and make sure that your rocker arm's in the right position. So you want to lubricate up your valve stems, your push rod in, and then your rocker arm, the sleeve and everything itself, so everything goes smoothly when you first try to turn on the engine. All right, so we'll torque down the exhaust side, rocker arms. We'll get the intake side taken care of, and then we'll go ahead and move into getting the actual valve cover on. All right.